G'day viewers, this is just a response to a video that I saw that Paul Shinn made about installing a adjustable drag link on an A model Ford. Um, he did a great job of explaining everything about aligning the steering box, but I just thought when I was watching the video I thought, oh, these adjustable drag links could lead to some problems if you didn't align the ball joints. I started trying to explain it in the comments, and then I thought it's probably easier to do a video explaining what I was trying to talk about, because it's a bit hard to put this into words. So unfortunately for some of you guys, especially in the US where you drive on the right hand side of the road in left hand drive vehicles, this is a right hand drive vehicle, so the steering's on the other side. But anyway, it all makes sense if you just have a look what's going on here. So this is obviously right hand drive. There's the drag link there. What I was trying to explain is, on a fixed drag link, the ball joints are mounted on the shaft and they are both in the correct alignment. So the drag link itself, if I rotate it here with these vice grips, should be able to be rotated slightly, which means that it's sort of floating on top of the balls and not binding up on the shaft of the ball. With an adjustable drag link, obviously you could tighten it so that, say, this one was rotated in that direction and the other one was rotated in the other direction, and in that case they would both be bound up against the ball where the little shaft on the ball attaches. So my suggestion would be to, when you've tightened the jam nut on, say, this end, to rotate the whole shaft and this ball joint at this end, say, in that direction, and then the loose ball joint at the other end, rotate it till it's bound up in the same direction, and then tighten up the jam nut. And then afterwards the whole shaft should still be able to be rotated. It should float on top of the ball joints. So I hope that makes sense. I'm not being critical of Paul at all. I'm just suggesting these adjustable shafts could present another problem with wearing at the balls. Okay, hope that helps. I'll see you later.